Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Wednesday, December the 2nd. So today we will be looking at the chart of the Euro Yen. This is a 60 minutes chart here. We can see right here we're looking for a wave 3 to the upside, and the rally is doing as an impulsive structure here. So this one, the low here 122.8, ended with 2 in the minute degree, and then so now we are in within the wave 3 in the black minute degree. Should subdivide into another 5 waves. So we have ended 1 of 3 here, 2 of 3 here, and then now in the process of doing 3 of 3. So it's a pretty impulsive move to the upside. So simple. In the shorter cycle, as far as we stay above 123.8, we like more upside, and we do like the long side in the Euro Yen here. Now zooming out a little bit to get an idea of the larger degree. Now we do mention about this, I think, a long time ago. I think if you sort of browse through the old video, you will see I did mention Euro Yen at some point. If you look at the weekly, now things get really interesting here. Now this is a weekly chart. If you want to know where this wave 2 is, that is only here. This is basically the wave 2 here, in the 1 hour, this one, right? So that's the wave 2. Now I think if we look at the weekly, couple of things is popping out here. Number one, if we can clear this peak here on August 31st, 127, that should open up a much bigger sort of target to the upside. Potentially it can go to 133.9. So I'm talking about multi-week, multi-months move here. It's not like a 24-hour move, but 127 here, if we can break, that is giving us a bullish signal. Number two, if you just simply draw a trend line here, right? So this is a sort of a bearish channel that started in 2014. So that's like almost 7 years old. We are now retesting it the second time. We tested here. Now we tested again. I do believe this time most likely we're gonna break, because if you look at the same trend line in the New Zealand dollar yen, it has already been broken. Australian dollar yen also almost broke. So here, a pretty good chance in my view we're going to extend higher, and therefore it's going to be giving us a pretty bullish indication here, right? And so shorter cycle for now, ideally we break above here. If we break above here, but looking at the other yen pair, seems like very high probability we're going to get that. So in the meantime, shorter cycle, any pullback should continue to stay supported in 3711 swing. Yen pairs traditionally is considered like a risky pairs. All the yen pairs and the Australian dollars, New Zealand dollars, usually they go higher when there is a risk appetite in the market. Risk on, some people call it risk on. So indices in that kind of situation should continue to be supported as well. And over the past 24 hours, we learned the news that there will be a bipartisan second stimulus bill, $900 billion, going to be introduced pretty soon. So that could be the catalyst for another sort of race on, perhaps till the end of the year at the least. Okay, so that's what we are looking at here, right? So as always, if you do want to have regular updates in any pair, any instrument, we cover a lot of different instruments from Forex, indices, and commodities. Feel free. We have 14 days free trial for new client, and you can I will put the description of the link to the trial in the description of the video below. So I'll see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.